MTD Global are on the FFG stand now in Germany. FFG supply the range of Leadwell machines. This is a brief video about how far Leadwell have come these days and the technology that they're offering. Here we have the BC600. This is a 5-axis machine. A 5-axis machine that's capable of doing full 5-axis simultaneous machining, as you will see here. They've gone into this market, Leadwell's 5-axis machines have been available for some time, but not necessarily in this style. You can see you've got a much, you've got a bigger bed, you've got 1100 millimeters in the X-axis, so you've got the option to do the type of work that you can see on the table, but of course with a table like this as well, you can do much larger components, so you can almost treat this like a 3-axis machine, but you have that additional flexibility. I do like this style of machine. To get into the 5-axis simultaneous market, you need a powerful control. That's what they have here in the form of Heidenhain. I used to know Leadwell for supplying machines with just FANUC controls, but that's not the case anymore, as you'll see here with this BC600. Just to give you an idea of the spec of the machine, you can see there 1100X, 610Y, 15,000 RPM spindle. One of the interesting points I picked out on here is the C-axis is using a direct drive motor. So there's no possibilities of backlash, or less possibilities of backlash using this machine. So what about turning? Well, you might have again thought of Leadwell as a company that supplies reliable turning machines, but maybe not machines of this nature or this advanced. This is the T7 T2 SMY from Leadwell. Now this is a twin turret, twin spindle turning centre. Two 16-station turrets. You've got a Y-axis on the top, and the Y-axis on this machine is plus or minus 50 mil. But you get the idea here. You can see both turrets working on the front spindle, and of course you have a back spindle here. You have the sub-spindle on this machine. Two turrets, twin turret turning with that Y-axis for complicated components and production runs. It's not a small machine either, is it? When you look at it, that is a big machine tool. Heavy-duty machine for sure. Let's just have a quick look at the specification on this. We're talking about a machine with 4,000 RPM front and back, plus or minus 50 mil Y-axis, 8-inch chuck on the front and the back on an A6 spindle nose. Max swing just under 800 mil. Impressive to see it's got an orthogonal Y-axis, which some would consider to be the best construction when it comes to Y-axis machining. So there you have it from the FFG stand. If you didn't know Leadwell for advanced technologies, you should do now.